Kids, genius hack, dot comma, go. First things first, kids. Thinking like a kid, not making it harder than it actually is. A dot comma looks like a comma and a period, one on top of each other. What does that mean? We already know at the top how to use a period. Here we have two complete sentences. Here's a complete sentence, and here's a complete sentence. All right? We know how to use a comma. A comma looks like a hook. That means when we put the dot comma together, we have to have two complete sentences that are hooked together because there's some type of relationship. Here, connects two related sentences. Boom. Let's look at example number 1. Erica likes to train hard for alpine skiing. Ethan works out like a madman for soccer. Soccer and alpine skiing are both relatable because they're sports. And this is an independent clause or a complete sentence, and this is also an independent clause or a complete sentence. Now, remember, I use independent clause and complete sentences as interchangeable words, Scooby-Doo style, kids. Let's go ahead and talk about how they're going to mess with you on ACT. First things first, if you look in your answer choices, the second part, chances are, is going to be a dependent clause or a fragment. So when you read up to the dot comma, it would be a complete sentence or an independent clause. And then the second part would be dependent. So be aware that is incorrect. It's got to be independent on both sides or complete sentences. Whatever you want to call it, doesn't matter. Complete sentence or independent clause. All right. Let's go back over here and compare the dot comma to a regular period so you can see. And this may be something that they mess with you with as well on ACT. I like to travel to interesting places. That is an independent clause or a complete sentence. We have a period here. Brazil is a huge country in South America. That is also an independent clause or a complete sentence. But if you look over here, the main thing that we're talking about here is I and Brazil. That is not relatable. Look real close, kids. Even though travel and Brazil or South America feels like it's related, it's not. That is not going to work for a dot comma. That's why we would use a period there. Look real close, kids. Dot comma hack. Thanks for watching, kids. Bye for now.